Today is Sunday the 19th, and it is officially moving day. Well, it's my official unofficial moving day because I could have moved in last Monday, but you know, schedule conflicts and everything, so today is the day. It is currently 7:56, so almost 8 o'clock, and I just woke up and all of that. And yeah, about to get my day started. We're not leaving until like 10 or 11, so yeah. And I've already taken some stuff down. Like I took some stuff down Monday when I went to go get my key, and then I took some stuff down Wednesday too. So I don't have as much stuff as I would have to take, but yeah. So y'all just gonna go along this journey because y'all wanted a move-in vlog, so I'm giving it to y'all. But yeah, I'm about to go upstairs, brush my teeth and stuff, see what my mom is talking about, and then I'll come back to y'all when something happens. But first let me show y'all just the rest of the stuff that I got in my room that I gotta pack up in my okay car. Y'all, so I got these bags, which is like the clothes that I wore this week, the clothes that I packed to wear this week that I didn't wear, some school books, my laptop. Then I got my hair bag right there with hair stuff. I got my jewelry and stuff right there. And then I got these two baskets right here. One got my shoes in it, and then one got more hair products in it. So I don't have a lot of stuff because I packed my truck yesterday, but it's enough stuff in here. This stuff will fit in the rest of my room. Oh, and I got my two pillows on my bed right there. Like I said, I packed my truck last night, so I don't have as much stuff as I would have that was in this room because I packed it all up in my truck. And I also took stuff down already. So yeah. So it's 11:30. We're a little bit behind schedule, but that's okay. We finishing packing up the car now, and then we about to go. I probably won't vlog the trip because I gotta drive, so I'm not really mastered at driving and vlogging. But yeah, so I'll probably see y'all when I get there, and then give y'all a little tour of what it looks like. It's gonna have stuff in it because my roommate's already moved in or whatever, so it's not 100% empty, but it's empty enough. So yeah, I'm about to take off, waiting on my grandma because she riding with me or whatever. Yeah, I'm never ready to go, but you know how that goes. Gotta get back to the education and get back to the money. You feel me? Okay, so y'all, it is 9:07 and I am all moved in. No, I'm nowhere near finished unpacking, but it's coming along, so I'm gonna show you guys what I got so far. So yeah, we're gonna see what I got so far. Okay, so my bathroom is pretty much done. I got my little hanger, you know, just a little sneak peek of the bathroom. That's me, excuse the fat, I know, working on it, but yeah. That, and then just a room. This not where this gonna go. I gotta get my desk together. My bed's made, but I gotta get it more organized or whatever. A little purse back, just a little sneak peek of everything. My closet is huge, so let me show y'all. It's dark, but like it goes all the way there to all the way there. So as y'all can see, I still got a lot of work to do. But it's coming along, and y'all know when it's finished, y'all definitely go get a room tour. So yeah, but I hope you guys at least enjoyed this. Sorry, I just didn't move on vlog just a little bit. I didn't really get to film a lot for you because I was too busy trying to help out, and it was hot, and everything was just a lot. So yeah, I will see you on the next video. Bye, my royal fam.